Site plan dimensioning typically involves sharing the approximate location of equipment with exact locations determined in the field and marked by the utility. A civil engineer may require precise dimensions due to specific specification requirements, but the necessity of that level of detail should be questioned. For primary conduit installation, the field team typically determines the proper fill and conduit routing based on site conditions. If the site contractor is not a licensed electrician, the civil engineer may have concerns about their ability. However, specifications should clearly define the responsibilities of each trade. Deleting a manhole and splicing underneath the pad could save time and resources, but a civil engineer may have concerns about accessibility for maintenance and future upgrades, and it is important to evaluate the long-term implications of removing the manhole. There are several key areas of consideration when navigating disputes or disagreements on a job site. Firstly, review the specifications carefully and confirm specific requirements. Secondly, discuss with the site contractor and get their input on the feasibility of requests. Thirdly, present a case to the civil engineer explaining the concerns and providing alternative solutions that meet the project requirements. If disagreements continue, it may be necessary to involve a supervisor or project manager to facilitate resolution. The goal is to ensure the project is completed safely, efficiently, and according to specifications.